If you've created a public list on Google Maps, you can easily update its description anytime using the web version. This is useful when you want to improve clarity, update information, or change the purpose of your list. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Your saved lists are tied to your account, so you need to be logged in to manage them. On the left side of the screen, click the Save tab. This section contains all your saved places, star locations, and custom lists that you have created. Inside Saved, click on Lists. Here you will see all your lists, including private and public ones that you've shared or published. Select the public list you want to edit by clicking on it. This will open the list page, showing all saved places inside it. Look for the three-dot menu icon, usually located near the top of the list panel. Click it to open more options. From the menu, select Edit List. This will open the editing screen where you can modify the list's name, description, and sometimes visibility settings depending on your permissions. Find the Description section. This is where you can update the text that explains what your list is about. You can rewrite it to make it clearer, more detailed, or more relevant to your current purpose. After editing the description, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. If you skip this step, your updates will not be stored. Once saved, your public list will immediately show the updated description to anyone who views it. This helps keep your shared content accurate and up to date. Editing your list description is especially useful if you are curating travel guides, restaurant recommendations, or location collections that change over time. And that's how you edit a public list description in Google Maps. Open your list, go to Edit List, update the description, and save your changes to publish it instantly.